you to another Google app that's very useful. When you're wanting to gather some information, maybe create a survey. Once you're in your folder that you want to work through, and right now I'm just working in my practice folder with all these different files that I'm creating, I will create a form. And this is what comes up when you see the form. I can set some parameters here on how I want people to view this form. I can require just LISD, but I'm just going to say uncheck that and say anybody can view it at this time. You can allow users to edit their responses or automatically collect their username once they've done this. So you just start creating your form here. I can call this my practice survey. You can add any more information if you're creating your survey, just a little bit more information to help them get started, but it starts you with your question 1 and you just click in each box and just start typing your questions. Any help text if you want there. Now if you want to if your answer choice is just a simple one word or couple words answer, you can leave it at text, but you'll see from this drop down here, I can do text, I can do paragraph text, which gives me a much bigger box to answer in. You can do multiple choice, and if you do multiple choice, then you would just put in different choices here. And you can add other if you want, and you can say done. You can make that question a required question and it'll put a little red asterisk by it, and then I can just go to my question 2 and just start with my next question. This is just a great way to, if you want to do a quick form for your students or your audience that you're wanting to gather some information. That's just a quick text. Oh, and those other ones were check boxes. Choose from a list. We can do check boxes on this one. And then I might want to add check all that apply to your favorite. I guess if your favorite, it's 1, but just for demonstration purposes, that's where I would put that. It's making me a little hungry. But anyway, so you can see I can make that a required, or let's not make it a required. All right, so done. Now you can see the little asterisk by my first question that makes that a required question and would give them that information that they need to answer that to complete this. Now once you're done, oh, you can change your theme. If you choose your themes here, you're going to see the some of the themes that they are offering, and then they've got quite a few others that they can show you. But so this is your choices when you bring that up. And so that's what it would look like. And so it'll show up there that that's your theme. Now once you have created your survey, I would recommend that you email this form to yourself, so you would have that link that goes straight to your survey. Now once your survey is active and once you have saved this and once you've emailed this to yourself, then you have that survey ready to go. And once people start submitting their responses, then you're able to see your responses here with a summary or a spreadsheet. You can embed your survey if you want. It'll give you the HTML to do that. And your edit, your confirmation. Once they've submitted their survey, this is what they see. Your response has been recorded. And you can change that however you want to word that. And click save. So once they've submitted that's what they will see. This is automatically saved. I would email this to myself and have that link, After you've created it, you'll also get an email from Google that states this is your survey, here's how you access your results, and here is how you access the spreadsheet. So it'll give you those links, but the link that you email to yourself, that's going to be the link that you want to share with others to take to answer the questions on the survey. But it's just very straightforward, very easy to create. If you want to add another question after the fact, then you would just go up to the upper left, add an item, and you can say I want to add a question that's got multiple choice, and then you can just start typing away. But it's that simple. I'd click my save, email that, and it shouldn't have to email that again because it'll be the same link to the survey. You were just able to do it. Oh, and it does show you here at the bottom. You can view the published form right here. We would click that, and this is what they would see. So they would see that whenever there's a red asterisk, then it is required. They would click submit, and they would see that nice little response confirmation, and then you're good to go. And again, when you go back to your folder and you see this practice survey, this is the icon for your forms, it will take you to this spreadsheet with all your responses. Now from here, if you want to edit your form, then you would go up here to form and say edit form, and it'll take you back to that place where we were before, where we can add more questions, or you can edit your questions with a pencil, or you can delete the question, whatever you want to do. Very, very easy.